Hey, what's up? You already know it's Elaine, and today I am going to show you guys a few types of eyeliners for Monolid. So the first one, I will call it a plain one. It is the most easiest to do and it's just really simple. And all I'm gonna do, you guys can't see. Let me get another mirror. Oh, and today obviously I'm using NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner. For this one, I'm just gonna start really thinly from the front to the back. It's like a line, you know? I did it all the way there. Now I'm gonna open my eyes, and you know the shape of my eye? It goes like, you know? Do you know what I mean? I'm just gonna follow my eye shape. Just follow my eye shape downward. And this is what is called the puppy eye. It's an eyeliner for like simple daily looks. But I also like a winged eyeliner, like a cat eyeliner at the same time. So what I do, I just kind of erase this part just a little bit. That's too much. Redrew it and then downward and then up. And now it became a little bit more like cat eye instead of like a total puppy eye because it is going upward now, not going like straight down. Do you know what I mean? Hopefully you do. For my next eyeliner, I'm just gonna erase the wing and I'm gonna continue from here. So the second eyeliner is the thin and sharp. And made the wing. Zam. And then I'm gonna make a straight line from this point to that point. But on top of this, if you want like more sharp look, then I am going to draw the inner corner as well. Following my eye line, the shape, and I'm going to connect this front part with the back part. Now it became the fox eye makeup. And this helps my eye look more like long. Okay, the next one is my go-to, my classic eyeliner that I always do, which is starting a little bit before, not here, a little bit above, like this. And then the front is thin. And then when I open my eye, this part has to be shown. So from here, I'm gonna, And this one is my go-to right now. The front is just a little bit thicker and the middle is thick too and the back is pretty thick too, but like not that thick, you know? And my next eyeliner is just a little bit higher, thicker version of this. It's a little bit higher. And then, ta-da! It's more like the thicker and the like longer. This used to be my daily eyeliner, but I don't know. I kind of stopped doing this now. For this, it's the same. Like the front is not really visible when I open my eyes, but starting from the middle to the end, you can see it. And when I close my eyes, it's not too like, whoa, because the front is a little bit thinner than the outside. All right, my next one is with a pencil liner. So this is from Morphe and it's brown. Richie. I'm gonna do the normal eyeliner that I have been doing. A little bit thicker. And then I'm gonna bring it out and up. And then with the brush size a little bit like stronger, that has a little strength. I'm gonna blend this thingy. And ta-da! It became an eyeliner and an eyeshadow, you know what I'm saying? And then on top of this, if you want to do the bottom one as well, just do it. Just do it. And then same thing. Let's blend it. Ta-da! It became an eyeliner and eyeshadow. And for the last eyeliner, a lot of beginners use this technique, but it's doing eyeliner with eyeshadow. I'm gonna get a brown color, or it could be black, but I just want to do brown right now. And honestly, drawing eyeliner with like these brushes are easier because you can just go like stamp it, you know? And I have finished my eyeliner with my eyeshadow. And this is way too brown, but this is the closest palette that I had, so just did it with this. But you guys could choose a darker color. And I know a lot of people that puts eyeshadow first as like an outline or like a practice, and then put the real eyeliner over it so that they don't mess up. Or they already got the shape and they just, you know, elementary, like coloring over it. Yes. Okay, so all my eyeliners are done. This eye is kind of suffering, but I can't help it. I have favoritism. Anyways, if you like this video and find it helpful, please give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe and also leave me a comment. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!